Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Khago. This track towards I-Octane. Song title, Can't Keep Up. So I must say, Octane slow. Octane can't keep up with them pace. I'm clash. Octane not good. Octane are rubbish. Octane figure sit down. That is all what Khago is saying, not me. So without further delay, let's jump into this one and hear what the G has said. Let's go. Let's go.
Murder, murder, murder. Some boy not getting no grave, you know. Try them best if you keep up a talk, be rubbish.
Murder, murder. Some boy not get no grave. Even if them do get a grave, a shallow grave them I go get. Try them best to keep up and a chat. Be a rubbish. Nah, connect up. Let's go.
Some boy not get no grave, you know. Try them best if you keep up a talk, be a rubbish. Post them out. If you shut your mouth, granny said.
Man say shut your pussy mouth. Try your best to keep up and a be rubbish chat. Shut your mouth. Pussy mouth. Yo.
Post them out. If you shut your mouth, granny said. Michael donkey for lucky and bump our pound.
The granny ever check. You know say I want time to get real big, like all that me understand. But I donkey for lucky trash got pound something. But yeah, pound away the donkey them live, right? So I donkey for lucky trash got pound. I thought it was a pound of cane trash. That's how I thought.
Granny said, Michael donkey for lucky and bump our pound. Liquor boy stop fuck around. Drink and drunk and smoke and shoot. Why? Country your turn, you know. Me know you know bad. I know you long time. Why not get no grave? Cause his mother can't find him body.
He must say, yo, I'm gonna last him. I'm gonna last him. Basically, yo, stop fuck around, brother. What you do? Where you depend? Stop fuck around. I'm gonna last you. You're not good. I'm gonna last you. You can't go around this. I go last you. I have to last you because you can't keep up. You see me? Yeah.
Why not get no grave? Cause his mother can't find him body. We don't check to get a new rifle from down a Baghdad. Talk them attack them boy. Then a tree band.
Man saying get a new rifle from down a Baghdad. So if you get a rifle from down a Baghdad, that means it's like I want them KD. I want them KD, you see me? Yeah.
Check to get a new rifle from down a Baghdad. Talk them attack them boy. Then a tree band. Guns them now clap him, songs them now shot. It's like him a vice them on him dep on him pira.
The man said, you sang them now clap, brother. You sang them now no substance, them now no belly. Them no make no sense. The man say your song no make no sense like the K in a knife. No sense, it nothing dead. Man say your voice when you're there for your period. Wee! Oh, I can't go for going on my two face, you know, brother. Stop your fucking dog.
Guns them now clap him, songs them now shot. Yeah. It's like him a vice them on him dep on him pira. Downtown them turn me in a murderer. Swamp rat taffy dead when me gun fire. I coulda cartel a write him song.
When some cartel write I'm say I shoulda cartel or I coulda cartel a write him song them. I no cartel a write him song them.
On him dep on him pira. Downtown them turn me in a murderer. Swamp rat taffy dead when me gun fire. I coulda cartel a write him song. Oh say I got dead.
Oh, he must say I coulda cartel a write him song them. You still a got dead. Cause even if cartel write them, you can deliver them the way all them should be delivered. Because we know Cartel is a great lyricist. So even if a teacher write a song them, they are not being delivered the way all them should be delivered. Them boring to him. He's falling asleep. He must say, yo, I'm falling asleep. What is this? Like, come on, dog.
I could have Cartel a write him song. Oh, say I got dead with me rifle. I wave and I sing song like reggae sunfest. Did I hear nothing yet, yeah? Oh, say I got dead with me rifle. I wave and I sing song like reggae sunfest. Did I hear?
Man say pussy I got dead when him rifle a wave and a sing song. Him rifle melodious. So when them a wave and a clap, Song them a sing. You see me? You go dead like how them sing song a reggae song fest and sting. That's what the G say. 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 say.
Forever not sing song like reggae song fest. Did I hear nothing yet, yeah? Sing I got dead.
Watch out. Watch out now. Big bumbo clot idiot. Big idiot. Big idiot.
Did I hear nothing yet, yeah? Sing I got dead with my rifle up wave and I sing song like reggae song fest. Like reggae song fest, yeah. Yo, Sarah, no boy can't stop it, war premature. You're the rifle, them a cock up asking out like war.
Man say, yo, no man can. Yo, Cartel keep on. I'm not Cartel. Khago keep on warning whoever wants to stop the war now. Man say, yo, this war can't stop premature. No, it must say them want to stop the war premature. It can't done. 10 years me I cook this fight. It can't done. all if you stop 6 times, me still a shoot you. That's what Khago said, not me. You see me? Yeah.
No boy can't stop it, war premature. You're the rifle, them a cock up asking out like war.
Man said the rifle them cock up. A man said, when the rifle them cock up and a skin out like war. Like girl, let's send front of back road. Like girl, road. Jesus Christ. Yeah. So, a gentleman commented and said too much bad word and other thing. So, I went out and bought a device so I can. And you know what? Yes. Yes. Me can black them out. You know what? Yeah, me can black them out. All right. So. Let's go.
Buy your first class ticket, we were premature. You're the rifle, them a cock up asking out like war. They buy your first class ticket, go Florida, big gun down the wipe and toe.
Yo, the man has tell you, you're not for foolish for me there. We not for wait until we book it. Me we spend my money. Me not buy no economy class, or no premium economy. Me not first class. Well, easy back. I forward a Florida if you come down your pan tour. Yeah? You have to dead either or either. That's what the GS say.
They buy your first class ticket, go Florida, big gun down the wipe and toe. Them know some me godly but me evil. Shut a fly through boy just make an eagle.
The man say, yo, me know some me godly, but guess what? Me evil same way behind night. There is a God, me believe in a God, but guess what? My mentality evil, my ways evil. Circumstances made me that way. That's what the GS said, not me.
Know some me godly but me evil. Shut a fly through boy just make an eagle. Me get a call from Andrew all night. Say fuck face, text him, Simon, that be a stress.
The man said get a call from Andrew Wellness, say 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. So 𝐑𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐿 text him and say, yo, him under be a stress. But obviously, him refer to 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐿 as fuck face. Are you dancing?
Me get a call from Andrew all night. Say fuck face, text him, Simon, that be a stress. Say the fans, them a take it just aside. Him can't walk a road, him a fi bag up on a hall.
So the reason why him under be a stress, him say the fans, them a take Khago side, them a take the Sky God side, them a take the Jetta side. So him can't walk a road, him a fi lock up and a hide.
Say the fans, them a take it just aside. Him can't walk a road, him a fi bag up on a hall. Him the on the right and him boyfriend on the other side. Why you fi dead same way? Say I got dead with me rifle and wave and a...
Alright, let me finish this song before I say me.
Sing song like reggae sunset. Say I got dead with me rifle and wave and a sing song like reggae sunset.
You don't understand what Khago do? You don't understand Wagwan? Khago control the pace of the war. Literally, no joke. Khago control the pace of the war, 𝐼-Octane. That is what he's doing. He is controlling the pace of the war. So, him start off and run out at a nice pace, then him drop the pace, then him pick up at the pace again, then now him drop the pace with that one again. And each time him do it, you do the same to 𝐼-Octane. So you go at your pace. Don't try match Khago pace. I got Khago pace. You understand? That's why I want to turn up and see him rhythm, brother, so I can up on the same pace. But Khago control the pace of other warrior for sure.
People are wave and sing song like reggae sunset. Like reggae sunset. swam cat. Remember cat afraid of water. Pussy if you know that.
What them hear about swam cat? Remember say some swam cat afraid of water. So I-Octane they call Khago swam cat. But Khago first call him swamp rat. And also remember say rat afraid of cat. So if Khago a cat and you're rat I-Octane, that means you're afraid of Khago, technically. I'm just saying, I'm just pointing out what it's right there in front of us. So, Wagwan.
Like reggae Sunday, yeah. Where them hear about swam cat, remember cat afraid of water. Pussy if you know that. They ain't get better than a Jimbo man in a frack and lipstick head, man I go bust that.
Man say you got better than a dream. You got better than a dream about man in a frack and them thing. The way they pan dog, I-Octane, Khago as a member say you this thing. I mean I go on my bed go dream boy. I mean I go on my bed go dream boy. When we go on my bed. Yeah, remember say you this thing the song there. That's what Khago says. So oh no, you have to chop the thing, you know, and a guy you better dream about man in a frack.
They ain't get better than a Jimbo man in a frack and lipstick head, man I go bust that. We conquer the globe and the world of the road is me. Khago.
The man say I him conquer the globe. So you no conquer no globe over here. The man say, remember say him conquer the globe. You no conquer no globe boy ya. Because you don't know say I-Octane thing that I-Octane label is conquer the globe, right? So he must say, yo brother, you no conquer no globe, Michi. You don't conquer no globe. So stop tell life on globe conquering. And me conquer the globe. Me and the Khagonians. Yo, that you touch on the car.
Khagonians, pussy, you got dead when the rifle of wave and a sing sweet like reggae sunset. What the man got dead when the rifle of wave and a sing like reggae sunset. Them no want no melody, no style. If
man say, yo, them not no melody or no style. Them song flat. Flat bridge.
them no thief one from me,
Daddy, style,
if them no thief one from me,
Daddy,
yes, them a good deed.
like a waste of time.
Rifle sing like reggae song.
So him say, now the last part say him feel like I waste him time. And hopefully you are not wasting your time. Hopefully I-Octane don't stop. Hopefully I-Octane don't stop. I don't want I-Octane to stop. I don't want you to stop either. So make the war go on. The war nice. What I wanted to say though, the part where you sing pussy I got, that could have been a bit more clearer. That could have mixed a bit more better. So engineer, you have work for do on the next track. Well, pussy let me see if I can find it.
Country your turn, you know me, know you know that.
Yeah.
Know you know that. Why not get
That part that sound a bit rough, you know what I mean? So that could have mixed a bit better.
long grave? Cause him mother can't find him body, we don't. Get a new rifle from down a Baghdad. Liquor boy stop fuck around. Drink and drunk and smoke and shoot. Country your turn, you know me, know you know that. Know you long time. Why not?
Like the part that too much vocal there, so too much I want it. That yeah, the part that just needed a bit more coming together a bit more and make it smooth out nice. You see me? That for me. But song bad, let me say Khago I think that the pace, brother. Khago I control the pace. You see me? Very creative song. Khago love the fuck with dog. Yo, the part where him say, yo, him gonna take a first class flight and go to Florida, go bust out 8 pan tour. That part the bad too. Me like that part too. So big up all of the Khagonians them, yeah, man. Khago, big up yourself, G. Continue put in the work. I-Octane, put in the work also, my bro. Continue. This time I'm going to leave that one still. If you enjoy that one, I want to see more from your G. You know what to do, man. Subscribe to the channel. And I'll definitely see you guys in the next one. Peace. Pussy, I got dead.